to change a print image on a digital printer takes milliseconds. And of course, this will change the market. Well, our expectation is to show what the box plant Vision 25 really can do, and most important, how it should look like, or how it can look like, because here we have an almost ideal scenario. We have the digital printing unit, we have a very modern corrugator, and we have the latest intralogistic features all under one roof, and that for sure inspires a lot of customers on their long-term planning for future box plants. With the digital printing in line, being it the Jetliner or the monochrome machine, we really can reduce overruns, wastage, not only on the corrugator but also later downstreams in the box plant, which greatly helps our customers to improve the profitability. Very stable, I would say. Even in crisis, the biggest one we had was the Lehman shock. Corrugated output really didn't collapse as most other industries, because packaging is very much related to private consumptions. So for our customers is a rather stable business. Of course, the dependency on paper prices, which is 60–70% of the manufacturing cost, this is one of the pains most of them are sharing. These machines we build and sell, they are designed to be operated for 20 years, and tomorrow we will see a lot of customers, they run 20 years or even up to 30 years. But that doesn't mean you can't change the machine, either in the product portfolio, which is manufacturing, or doing some upgrades later on. So here we have a lot of flexibility, and especially in Europe and US, a fair bit of our business is step-by-step upgrades of existing machines to make them more modern, higher automation to increase the efficiency. The customer will tell you immediately what he wants. This is the easy part. You have to walk down to the job floor to find out what he really needs. Part of sales for us is consulting. That's a really big advantage for us, because we basically have access to all global corrugating plants, so we see a lot. Of course, we don't share everything because we supply equipment to everybody, but our sales team has a great gift to understand the situation where the customer is in today, to listen to his vision, where he wants to go, and then they formulate how to go together successfully into the future. And for us, it's the biggest gift if we have some customers, and you will have them we have relation for over 30 years. They buy only machines from BHS, so we grew together. That gives a big burden for us, because they fully rely on us. And on the other side, we have to take them very serious. If they ask us for special developments, we really have to deeply understand this and understand the vision behind, the need behind it. Faster and wider. This was the usual requirements we always did here. At the end, when you look at the corrugator, from a paper roll, feed it in until the final product goes out on the stacker, it takes less than 30 seconds. This is not a game changer if we make it 20 seconds. The core was, we need to improve the box plant itself. And the way to improve it is to increase the throughput. Means to reduce the overall production time in the plant. When you look to a traditional box plant, the sheets which we are making, they sit usually for a couple of hours, sometimes even a complete shift. In the area we call it a converting section, and they just cool down to be ready and prepared for printing. So if we take the printing on board early, we basically kill that time. Plus, we save all this time, especially for new prints to make, and until you get the flexo, it takes days or sometimes weeks. To change a print image on a digital printer takes milliseconds. And of course, this will change the market. The concept what we have worked out, that is really unique. Printing on the liner first and looking to all aspects, and we are not completely done yet with everything, so we have steps even beyond Box Plan 25 vision. At the moment we are unique, and if things go as we expect them to go, we also will be unique in 10 years' time.